अजीज हमवतनों, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ बार्ब्ड वायर डाला गया है और यहाँ ये ब्लॉकेज डाले गए हैं। हमारी कोशिश रही है कि हम रावलपिंडी पहुंचे और ये खाली मेरी कोशिश इस घर से नहीं हुई है, मगर हमारे मुल्क के हर घर से लोग बाहर निकलने की कोशिश किए हैं कि ये सूरत हाल बाकी पाकिस्तान में पैदा हो। इसलिए मैं I'm calling upon my countrymen to join me. This is not a battle for Benazir Bhutto. This is not a battle for Pakistan People's Party. This is a battle to save Pakistan. To save Pakistan from the forces of extremism. The forces of extremism are expanding. They were first in the mountains of Tora Bora. From Tora Bora they came into our tribal areas. First they took one tribal area, then they took a second, then they took a third. Now they're advancing towards the cities of the frontier province. How can they do this day after day? They can't. How long can they keep these barbed wires? How long can they keep these blockades? Tomorrow these barbed wires will be removed, and tomorrow we will come forth again, and we will come forth again until our demands are met, until our aspirations are met, which is for a democratic Pakistan. We're trying to save Pakistan. We want a democratic Pakistan so that we can serve the needs of our people and that we can eliminate the extremism which is putting our nation in danger today. That's basically what I said. Well, I've framed it the way I wish to frame it. We will continue to do this. We will continue. I don't agree that it's little effect. I think there's a big momentum right now, a domestic and international momentum. And I think the regime is trying to break this momentum by making vague promises that will give hope. But once people break the momentum, then the goalpost will be moved. That's our experience. The goalpost is always moved at the last moment. And we don't want that to happen because the price is too heavy for a country that is nuclear armed like Pakistan and pivotal for regional peace. So we would like the international and domestic pressure to continue until we can have a neutral caretaker government